I got the Carwiner screen protector for the Tesla Model 3. And I'm going to install it and bring you along for the frustration that I may encounter. Hi, there's that angle. Here's the screen. Turn the music down. I'll put the link to this in the description. It had the best reviews, or the least negative reviews. We got screen protector accessories just to clean the screen before putting the protector on, just like your phone. Wet and dry wipes. Wet and dry wipes. Right there. 1-2 system. Some dust stickers to just pat the screen down and get all the dust off. A dust removal sticker again. More dust stickers. Okay, it's a lot of dust stickers. And this thing, I guess it's a squeegee. And finally, a microfiber cloth. I think Tesla should include one of these with the logo on it for the price of this car, being that the screen is the only command center controls that you have. So we have this frame that allows for precision placement, and then the screen. And the instructions are on the back of the box. 1. Set the screen to screen cleaning mode. And I just had the car washed, and going through the menu I just found and forgot about the car wash mode that I could have put it in. So many options that you forget about. So display screen clean mode. Clean the screen with cleaning kit number 1-2. Wipe the screen with a cleaning cloth. Pretty small. Oh, that is wet. That's nice. So clean. The dry wipe is next. Nice and clean. Turn it even more down. I think that's Lizzo or something. Use the dust removing sticker to remove dust on the screen. There's not really dust. I'm just randomly putting this here. Maybe I can see it might be creating more dust than there was. Pretty dust free. Insert the auto alignment assisted installation frame on the screen. Is there a top or bottom? That's not a reference to Pride Month either. Weight. It says Tesla Model 3 there. Up. Okay. This is up. So I gotta onto the screen. Okay. That's up. Fits perfect. Peel off the protective layer of the screen protector. Please note, from the corner of the red sticker, peel off the protective layer of the screen protector. Okay. There's some small print. The only way I can get that. Wow. Place the top of the screen protector close to the installation frame first, and then slowly paste the protector at the screen. And see, it kind of vacuums itself onto the screen there. Which just gonna let it adhere itself to the screen. Use a card to squeeze out bubbles on the edge. And remove auto alignment. Okay, well there's the Carwiner screen protector. Make sure you are very careful while touching the screen protector after you take the protective covering off. I might have had a little bit of residue in the back there. I'm not sure what this is. Looks good so far. We'll see how it does in the sunlight, the glare, the fingerprints, the dust. Keeping those off. And that's it. Join me for another Tesla video coming soon. Take care.